John Patrick Dolan, let me bring you in. I know that you are friendly with Brian Oxman. Now, Vanity Fair has reported a stinging allegation against Brian Oxman that he was involved with attempted witness tampering. Does Brian Oxman have a response to that?
Well, let me just say this without violating the gag order in the case. I've known Brian Oxman for almost 40 years. We've known each other since high school. I know his integrity, I know his ethical standards, and I think Maureen Orth had better check her sources on that allegation.
So you don't have any information that he's currently being investigated by law enforcement, as she claims in that article?
No, she didn't say that in the article. What she said is the information is in the hands of law enforcement.
True.
Didn't say that he was being investigated.
All right, true, and fair enough. And Patrick Dolan, and on the defense side, John, there was strong attacks not only against the mother, but against the accuser himself and his brother. These are two minor boys, children in the eyes of the law. Do you think the defense went too far in attacking these kids?
Well, you're walking a thin line because, of course, anytime you have a child as a witness, you can be viewed as being a little bit bombastic when you go after him. But I think these people deserved it. I don't think it was over the line. The interesting thing to me is no one from the prosecution, none of the witnesses, the accuser, his family, or anybody else, ever went to law enforcement until they went to their own lawyer.
Well, all right, indeed. Savannah Guthrie, let me know.
Someone was very powerful.
John Dolan, do you think the presence of so many famous siblings is going to have a positive impact on this jury from the defense point of view, or do you think it might put these jurors off a little bit?
Well, it could do either one. Certainly Janet Jackson and LaToya Jackson sitting there with Reby as well have got to be interesting for the jurors. Now, they might interpret this as trying to be a little over the top, and that could be negative. On the other hand, they could just interpret this as sisters caring about their younger brother, in which case it might gain some sympathy for the defense.
Right, standing by their brother. What have you done for me lately? Well, they've been in court with their brother. John Patrick Dolan, Richard Gabriel, Rabbi Shmuley Boteach, Michael Cardoza, Savannah Guthrie, and Diane Diamond. Thank you so much.